Tired of your current phone plan? Let's get you connected with Lyca Mobile in the USA with this simple activation guide. First, make sure you have your Lyca Mobile SIM card and a working phone. Now, head over to the Lyca Mobile USA website. The address is usually displayed on the SIM card packaging, or you can easily search it on Google. Look for the Activate SIM button on the website. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to begin the activation process. You'll be directed to a page where you need to enter some information. This will include your SIM card number, which is usually printed on the SIM card itself, and sometimes the PUC code. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your desired area code. Choose the area code where you plan to primarily use your phone. Now it's time to choose your plan. Lyca Mobile offers a variety of plans to fit different needs and budgets. Select the one that works best for you. You'll then need to enter your payment information to activate your plan. Make sure you have your credit card or debit card details ready. After submitting your information, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. This usually means your SIM card is being activated. It can take a few minutes to a couple of hours for your SIM card to fully activate. Keep your phone turned on and check for signal bars. Once you see the Lyca Mobile network name, you're all set. Enjoy your new Lyca Mobile service.